Greetings YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Those of you that joined me and Ben on the NC500 tour last summer will recognise this bike. This is the borrowed Bonneville that got me out of so much trouble. Today I'm going to show it a little bit of love, give it a clean basically, and take it home. Let's have it. So this is a 2005 air-cooled Bonneville, which has had an interesting life. It was first registered in the Channel Islands, where it stayed for 2 or 3 years and only amassed, I don't know, about 3,000 miles. It then came back to the mainland UK, where it lived on a farm. Wasn't ridden on the farm, it was just put in a barn basically and left to stand for 19 years. The barn had no door on it, so the weather got in, hence everything is just a little bit rusty and it needs a bit of a restoration, to be honest. But I picked it up for a pretty reasonable price and only 4,000 miles on the clock when I got it. It's nearly got 6,000 on it now, having done the Scotland trip with Ben. I'm going to give it a clean, bit of a polish, and then I'm going to go and visit the Triumph Café at the factory in Hinckley, where this came from all those years ago. It doesn't come up too bad, but there are a lot of parts on here that I think are beyond saving. Either need stripping off and re-chroming or replacing, but there's no rush. It's one of those things that can be done over a period of many years. Anyway, it's quite therapeutic doing this. You'll have to excuse the mixed apparel today. I've got my adventure bike helmet on because it's the only easy way I can attach the GoPro. I've got my Harley Davidson leather jacket on because it's the only leather jacket I've got, and it felt like a leather jacket kind of a day today. Bike's coughing and spluttering a little bit, it's not quite warm yet. But it's cleaned up all right, it doesn't look too bad. I'll show you when we get to the Triumph Factory Cafe. It's certainly fun to ride. I do wish the sun would come out. This used to be a weekly commute for me basically, back when I was working in the family engineering business with my dad 20 or so years ago. About the time this bike appeared actually, I'd make deliveries to the Hinckley factory probably once a week. We were tool makers and supplied them with tooling. I would imagine 100% tooling that my dad designed for assembling the clutch assembly and bearings and all those kind of bits and bobs would have been used to make this bike. So it's nice. The bike was born in Hinckley using stuff that we made, and today I'm going to take it back to Hinckley for breakfast. So the sign said, "Welcome to Hinckley, home of Triumph." Of course, originally Meriden was the home of Triumph, but since its reincarnation, Hinckley has been where the factory has been. I'm so ready for something to eat, hot drink, get a bit warm. The factory is just on my left, so I'm almost there. It's the 1902 Café. And presumably that is referring to the year the Triumph company was founded. Celebrating 1 million motorcycles. Well, that's a lot of motorcycles. I've got a sneaky feeling. Oh, look at that cutout just as we arrived. I've got a sneaky feeling that this will be the least shiny of any bike here. I am very happy to be here. So yes, the old girl doesn't look too bad for having had a little bit of love and attention.
Drives a hard rod, it's a 1954. She's got a heavy power motor with frames right down the door. She'll be waiting at the truck stop where her big bad buddies roar. Righteous fury, she's waiting for me down at the track. There ain't no place to hide when she finds her overdrive. She's storming down the road to hell and back. Well, she's a nitrous burning demon. She's got cushion leather seats. She writes my name in rubber on the road before my feet. V8 aspirations, man, her pipes are packing heat. Righteous fury, she's waiting for me down at the track. There ain't no place to hide when she finds her overdrive. She's storming down the road to hell and back. sparkle, righteous fury. Ain't no one here can catch her. No comp, no judge or jury. Got her pedal to the metal. She's bound for death or glory. Righteous fury, she's waiting, waiting for me down at the track. There ain't no place to hide when she finds her overdrive. She's storming down the road to hell and back. Righteous fury, she's waiting, waiting for me down at the track. There ain't no place to hide when she finds her overdrive. She's storming down the road to hell and back. There ain't no place to hide when she finds her overdrive. She's storming down the road to hell and back.
Wow, perfect. Breakfast and a fantastic experience, a Triumph experience. Come and check it out. And it's really nice having brought the bike home. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that little look at the visitor centre here at the Triumph factory in Hinckley, and I certainly enjoyed the breakfast and the hot drink. And now I've got a cold ride home. However, I feel inspired to ride this old girl. So if you did like today's episode, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.